brain is a powerful tool. It does not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. Just as thinking about a lemon can make us salivate, or imagining a sunset can dilate our pupils, today we will use our visualization ability to manifest our deepest desires. We invite you to explore the unlimited power of your mind, a place where the line between reality and imagination blurs. We stand before a divine opportunity to shape our destiny. Here, in this sacred space, we remind ourselves that we are the architects of our dreams, the masters of our universe. What we harbor within, that intricate web of thoughts and emotions, acts as the mold upon which our reality is sculpted. Like a river that, with its constant flow, shapes the landscape of our existence. Welcome to Meditation and Growth. Subscribe for wisdom, like for life. Now, start breathing slowly and consciously. With each inhalation, imagine that you absorb the purity and light of the universe, energy that renews your spirit. With each exhalation, release any shadow of doubt, fear, or unease. Let them fall like dead leaves, freeing yourself from their weight. Feel how a cascade of celestial light begins to pour over you, starting at the crown of your head. Imagine this divine light gently permeating your scalp, relaxing every follicle, every thought, until you feel a total detachment from any tension. The light now descends to your forehead, smoothing worry lines, erasing every wrinkle of stress. Feel how your eyebrows and eyelids soften, how the light relieves the burden of your tired eyes, inviting them to deep and restorative rest. It continues its journey to your cheeks and jaw, releasing the muscles there, allowing your face to reflect the serenity within. Let this healing light calm your throat, clearing any obstacle that prevents the free flow of your authentic voice. The cascade of light pours over your shoulders, dissolving blocks and heaviness you might carry. Imagine how this comforting light extends through your arms, reaching the tips of your fingers, taking with it any trace of tiredness or unrest. Allow the light to envelop your chest and heart, opening your being to love and gratitude. Feel how each breath expands your ability to give and receive love unconditionally. The light continues its descent to your abdomen, harmonizing your internal organs, infusing every cell with vitality and health. Imagine this light as an elixir that rejuvenates and balances, promoting a general sense of well-being. Let yourself be carried by the light to your hips, legs, and finally your feet, feeling how it revitalizes and anchors your connection to the earth. With every drop of this sacred light, feel how you immerse in an ocean of calm, a sea of tranquility where everything is possible. In this moment of deep connection with your essence, imagine you are closing the doors of your inner kingdom. This sacred realm, where your dreams and hopes reside, is yours and yours alone to govern. Nothing and no one from the outside can disturb the peace and certainty that dwell here. Only you have the power to control your mind, your thoughts, your creations. In this sacred space, you are protected, you are invincible. Now, with an open heart and a calm spirit, visualize in as much detail as possible the desire you long to manifest. Live it in the first person. Experience every sensation, every emotion, every color, and every sound as if it were already part of your reality. Hold this vision and the emotions it evokes a little longer. Revel in them and in this feeling of achievement and happiness at seeing your dream fulfilled. Gradually, begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Gently move your hands and feet. Take a deep breath, and when you feel ready, open your eyes to the world around you, carrying with you the certainty that your wish is fulfilled and on its way to manifestation. By consciously choosing where we direct our attention and what energies we nourish, we become the architects of our destiny, shaping our life experience with every thought and every emotion we choose to inhabit. Thank you for gifting yourself this sacred moment with meditation and growth. Subscribe for wisdom, like for life.